Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to be taking a look at this super nice camping knife. Now the first thing that I want to mention is the price. This camping knife definitely comes in at a great price, especially for what you're getting. And so the knife completely closed is going to be 5.1 inches, and then the mechanism to pull it open is super smooth, but there's also going to be a little click, which is just going to ensure that it remains secure when you're not using it. And so the knife fully opened is going to be 10.3 inches, so there's definitely some size to it. It's not like your typical pocket knife. Now the wood feels really nice and is super smooth. The blade itself is going to be a total of 4.8 inches. And at first I didn't really like the rounded edge, but honestly I've really started to enjoy it. And for camping needs or just cooking, it'll definitely work very well. The material of the blade is going to be 440A stainless steel. And I mean overall I really do think this is a no-brainer. Just everything about it, from the wood handles to the super sharp blade and then the price, you just really can't beat a knife like this one. Definitely recommend for anyone's collection.